Hey, it's Leanne at Proud Pup Media. I've got a quick video for you to show you how to unsubscribe from newsletters that you get in your inbox, or really anything that you get in your inbox that you don't want. Um, so I'll get started. Thanks for taking the time, by the way, to watch this video. And if you like it, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish more videos. All right, let's get started. Okay, so in my inbox here, you can see I've got quite a few things going on. And so what I want to do is show you two ways to unsubscribe from a newsletter. So one way is to just click on the newsletter itself, and you can see the unsubscribe button there. So you can click that. I think I'm going to unsubscribe from Bustle because even though I like the content, they're sending me stuff every single day. So I'm going to unsubscribe. Can always resubscribe again, right? Yes, unsubscribe. You can't see that. It took me to another tab where I unsubscribed from the newsletter. All right, and the other way is a little different here. So if you look up here, you see there's no unsubscribe link there. So you actually have to go all the way down and unsubscribe there. So that's fine. I mean, that's not too difficult, but sometimes you'll come across an email newsletter or someone send you an email where there is no unsubscribe button, which is a real no-no, actually. That shows me that they're not thinking about you or me as the reader, and it's kind of spammy. So in that case, what I would do is I would block them. Now, sometimes they still get through, so then you've got to either report spam or phishing when they come through, and then just empty your spam folder after that. Okay, that is it. That's the simple tip, and I hope you found this useful. And again, hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.